Ayan, so yung given natin is meron tayong body length na 107 cm and yung heart girth natin is 112 cm. So basically, yung body length natin is i-round off natin siya. So 100 cm, magiging siyang 110 cm. Okay? And yung heart girth natin is i-round off natin siya ng dalawang beses. So, yung 112, nasa pagitan siya ng 110 cm and ng 120 cm. So, basically, dalawa yung value natin for the heart girth. So, 110 cm and 120 cm. So, magsusulat lang din ako dito ng 110 para mas maging clear yung sa kilograms. So, basically, dito yung body length natin. So, nung ni-round off na natin, 110. So, 110, nandito tayo. Tapos, yung heart girth natin na 110 din. So, pag merge lang natin yan sila. And then, 84. So, itong 110 cm na body length, tapos 110 na heart girth is 84 kilograms. And how about 110 cm na body length and 120 na heart girth? So, nandito siya. So, that is 99 kilograms. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is gagawin na tayo ng proportion. So, x minus the lower weight, upper weight minus lower weight is equal to your heart rate, yung heart girth mo, which is 112 cm minus the lower heart girth, and then upper heart girth minus lower heart girth. So, ano yung x natin? So, x nga. So, ano yung lower weight? 84. So, upper weight minus lower weight. Ano yung upper weight? 99. Minus 84 is equal to yung heart girth na na-measure mo, 112, minus yung lower heart girth, which is 110 cm. And then, yung upper heart girth na 120 minus 110 cm. So, we simplify x minus 84, 15 ba, 2, and 10. And then, we cross multiply. 10 x minus 84, 2 times 15, 10x minus 840 is equal to 30, and then 10x is equal to 30 plus 840, so that is 10x is equal to 870, and then divide both sides by 10 para x na lang yung matitira. So, x is equal to 87 kilograms. So, ganun siya.